So I'm trying to like think of a comparison because it's giving me like a flavor of something, and I'm trying to like quite place it. Mm-hmm. It's almost like the Formula Fords that I've driven, like autocross. It's almost like that kind of feeling.
Gotcha.
So I don't know if that's like there's like a vintage feel to like the Formula Fords of autocross are like from the 80s.
Yeah.
But in like a raw, fun way, not in like it feels like an old car way. Obviously.
Right.
I mean, like the power also is pretty wild. And
Yeah.
it's just like it just chugs right away. I never got to run down the back straight, so that kind of like I didn't actually get to feel much more than like third and fourth.
Yeah.
But that was super cool.
Yeah, in this platform, that 2.3 liter EcoBoost is another animal.
Yeah. It's just
So
like,
the
it's
big-
so persistent.
Yeah.
The big question is it fun?
Super fun. Yeah, I didn't want to like keep pushing it in case that fuel start wasn't a fuel start.
You're right,
Because
I
it was
understand.
kind of like breaking up under left-handers right at the very end. But I was like, man, I don't want it to be over. It's super fun. Yeah, the balance is really good. The drivability is really good. What kind of diff is in the back right now? Is it just
The locker.
Ford diff?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah, I can't quite put my finger on. Like it feels like a car that I've driven before, but I can't quite place it. Honestly, I believe you guys now about the aero because of how planted it is across like since 89. Mm-hmm. I mean, it's like more planted than my car would be is with no actual aero. My car has actual aero, so that's like the high-speed balance was super confidence inspiring. Like the bump at 9, no problem. So compliance is good. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.